One of the most awkward experiences we can have is running into someone we sort of know and forgetting their name. Between the guilt and the embarrassment, we can often feel like crawling into a hole and disappearing forever just to escape. However, we all go through these moments now and again. Here are some tips and tricks that I use to navigate the situation. The first thing I do is smile and acknowledge the other person. It's best to begin any interaction on a high note, if possible. Even if I can't recall their name, that's no reason to act closed off or hostile. I then say something like, "It's nice to see you again," or "Long time no see." Now here's where things can get a little dicey. Sometimes, I ask how they're doing, just to show that I'm interested and want to know what's going on in their lives. While the goal isn't to interrogate anyone, sometimes a few details are all it takes to jog one's memory and bring that name back to the forefront of your mind. Again, this isn't an interrogation. If, after a few moments, I still can't remember their name, I bite the bullet and tell them honestly. I'm never rude about it, but a simple, "I'm so sorry, I'm having a brain freeze. Can you remind me of your name?" works quite often. It may be a little embarrassing and cause a side eye or two, but it's better than leaving a conversation without truly knowing who you were speaking to, or causing hurt feelings by saying something wildly inappropriate by accident. Remember, it's not uncommon to forget names, and the person might not take it personally. The goal is to be kind, show genuine interest, and enjoy the encounter.